this video, I'm going to share a very nice Google search trick that you can use to search for a keyword, for example, in a particular website. And especially this video is intended for people that are looking for their residence permit, especially asylum seekers in Greece. So I'm going to share this Google search tip, and then I'm going to show you if you're an asylum seeker and you want to check whether your residence permit has been issued and you're in Greece. I will show you how you can use this trick to easily and quickly find your asylum permit. We all know that we can search in Google by just typing a keyword, and we can get results like this. But there's also a nice way to search for a particular keyword or for a particular thing and focus on the results on a particular website. For example, in here, if instead of just searching for Piraeus, for example, I use the site colon and then put any web address of any website, then Google will just limit the web searches into that website, for that website. So for example, I'm now seeing searches for the keyword Piraeus, search results that are only found in the website aljazeera.com. If I switch to another website, you can see all the results come from the same address. So if I change to another website, I can only see results from CNN.com, for example. Now, this video is especially about people that have that are looking to receive their residence permit in Greece, especially asylum seekers. So what happens most of the times is that if you're an asylum, you have requested an asylum permit, you will get some email. This is just a mock-up, and you will be guided to look for a particular website and check to see whether your residence permit has been issued. So you will receive an email like this, and then you'll find an attached file. And in that attached file, you will find your case number, and then you will find a link where you want to use and see whether your case has been gone through, has been evaluated, or has been checked, and you have your residence permit issued. So the problem with this is that if we follow this link, there's, first of all, there's a website in Greek, and hopefully, luckily for us, there's also in English. But the problem is that it's very hard to search for a particular case number. So for example, if I search for some random case number that I tried, you will see that it's loading, and after a while, first of all, it takes quite some time, but unfortunately, we get no results. So the search engine on this website, on the Ministry of Migration and Asylum, doesn't really work. So it doesn't really help us to see whether our case number is somewhere on the website. There's also another page where the ministry mentions that they have launched a digital portal for renewal of applicants' cards. So they have like this guide here. We can follow the guide, but unfortunately, it also doesn't work. So you can see if we follow the guide, I'm just following their guides here. I'm going to the electronic services, going into the asylum applications, and then to the renewal of international protection cards. We get a 404 not found. So even in this case, there's no way that we can search for our application. So the only thing that we can do is if we follow the first link that we find attached in the email, we have to go here, switch to English, and then there isn't just a way to quickly find our case number. So we have to go through each of these links, which are updated on a weekly basis. Open these links, check and open this PDF link, and you will see we can find like this PDF which contains the case numbers that are ready uh, for these dates. So we have to go here, we either have to look for the number or maybe do a control F and see whether our case number is found on this page. As you can see, the case number is not found on this page, so we have to go back and then check the previous week or the next week and go through all these links and, you know, control F again to find. Now there's an easier way to quickly check whether your case number is found on one of these documents, and that's using the site, the Google site directive. So what you can do is you can take away most of the web address from this page, and basically use the site along with the case number. Let me see if I have, I think it's the other way. So this is just a number that I found on one of these pages. So if you search for your case number using the site, the special Google directive site, and then this address, so migration.gov.gr wp-content uploads, you are searching for this number only on this particular website. As you can see, it easily found that this number is found on a link on this page. I can open this up and I can quickly scroll down, or I can control F and find that this case is found on this document, and then I can check like the rest of the details here. So that's the tip for today on how you can use some smart searches on Google and help you quickly find whether your asylum case number has been issued, your permit has been issued, instead of going through every link, every page on the ministry's website and checking your document. I hope this video and this tip helped you to quickly search for your resident permits, and thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if you find this helpful, or if you have any other ideas or tips on how to help people that are looking to get some feedback and learn more about when their permits are available. Please let us know and we will post it on the comments below. Thank you for watching.